Погас.
Serbia are very much in charge here, dominating possession and a goal to the good.
Уф.
Can he get it through?
Lili, baci Lili. Lili. Idemo live.
Horrible blip, a horrible blip. A situation utterly avoidable.
Mas me dá pogledam.
In considerable embarrassment. They will need to pay for not moving the ball smartly enough through a very strong pressing wave. Serbia are now luxuriating in a two-goal lead. Well, they're very much the better team.
Ej, pusti go be.
And no doubt will be looking to close even more down.
Jao. Jao, kakav promašaj u pičku materiju. Kako promašaj u pičku materiju, brat. Idemo. Srbija, Makedonija.
Serbia have scored 2 quick goals here and are well and truly in the driving seat.
Šut! Uf, možeš pravo da ubaciš.
Big relief. Just needed
Nemo ni jedno, gledao sam. Imali smo 30.
this is really given
Andrijana gleda. To će gleda da vidi koji je muž.
Alioski.
Uf, 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 uf. Su!
He's got away with
Su,
one.
bac. Dobra akcija. Baci mi igramo Miloško. Može se kako može da budeš, ne možemo 30 da igramo. Posle 30 streli. Lepo se dobacujemo.
Corner of the game. Surely now!
Dobro.
Harmlessly behind. Elmas. Alioski. And that is as far as they're going to go.
Idemo, brate, prebacuj se malo, nemoj ga mnogo zapinjivo izgled.
He won't be happy with
Ne, nisam mislio sad da se prebacuješ, nego ovako kad teren razumeš i malo... Evo, iskaš mi čuti.
There were better options.
Malo je
before.
to da mu...
Easy to say from up here, I know. Pitches it off him.
Uf, ja pa pobegao loptu.
Defence opting here for strict numbers.
О, не бе, ja pa mislim, че свира, razumeš, i uklizamo tamo gore, rekao će svira, razumeš li, on nije teo da svira.
That's for sure.
Gore, vidiš koja sam uklizao, rekao će, obali igrač, rekao će svira, baci, ja nisam provolio da neće da svira.
They've played it short. Elmas. Now the ball in. And that has been clear.
Eto go gore. Može pa. Da, dobro. Dobro, no.
Oh, the runner's been sold a little bit short there. They should have done a lot better there.
That's not
The
good.
ball was very poor.
Ali, brate,
And the keeper's done brilliantly to thwart him. He stood his ground brilliantly
kurwa,
until
co
he actually needed to act, and everything he did there was spot on.
taką greszką.
That is good. Super running, sharp movement. Came up against a defender though who
No, nema koja je loptu napad, brate, rizikom stoji. Baci, ne mora biti se da idemo na loptu, gledaj, pa ti radiš to, brate, ne radim ja.
He's on it. Can he get this? Here you go.
Ćemo za koja loptu.
It was a matter of inches. He overtook that one, aiming for perfection, and he got it slightly wrong.
Uf.
There will be 3 minutes at a time. Good ball, good take.
Ovo je fotovo. Jebi ga.
Important interception.
Kako je položaj.
We reach half-time.
Ja mogu biti nešto smo to vidjeli u 60.
Peter, 2-0.
Važno završi.
With the choice of just trying to see the match out or forcing the issue even further. I'd always be inclined to go for the latter, go for a third, especially with a full half of football.
Gledamo
to play.
zakon.
Serbia in control at half-time. 2-0.
Šta mora da to?
Hostilities have resumed at the start of the second half.
Uf,
And that has left him in a heap.
poveri se mene. Preš.
Jarring tackle, but apparently nothing wrong with it.
Jebi ga.
Elmas.
Ne, tu da padaš tako.
Well, that was a period of possession which carried just about no threat at all. Alioski.
That is so
La 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 la.
It's a lovely deep pass.
Uzgoruski.
Moving this ball,
Ako me.
that has been cut short.
Ne golmo, sad, vrati na golmo. Ovako, ne mora ga izbiva. Ne mora ga izbiva. Ugubimo ove zeze. Od koga? Od nas, a?
Recovery. Played back. The scoreline early after half-time.
Jebi ga. Dok gledamo igrač. Sam neka samo konogli. Ali ja ga uzem igrača.
Oh no, what has happened here?
Ma pored ga, kako. Pored. Gledaj kako da mi dobro izašao, čekaj da ga letimo.
Kendrick Crossfield. Played towards the other side.
Oj, baci, šta se ovo prolazi? Šta se ovo prolazi?
Played in deep.
Šta se ovo prolazi? Skoro tu dakle. Ajde me igrač kod je.
More and more pressure on the ball here. Oh, well played, well sorted out.
More brane se ovi, brate. Mislim, brane se.
Good pressure.
Imaju muki sad, imaju muki svi.
It's made its way to him. Can he finish?
Eto kojec.
Yeah, he was well placed to deal with that.
Gledaj, cepimo gi 4-2 dola. Ubijamo gi na mesto. Pa je ni mora šutiti da mu gol, brate. Kako si mislio? Mi koliko bude šutimo?
Serbia are looking to go forward now. Running pass.
Ale kako upas loš.
And it's a little undercooked.
Jebem ti. Idemo.
Looking to go deep. Climbs up big. Well, surely that deserved a better outcome. That definitely had the element of surprise to him.
No, fantastični.
When no one was expecting it.
Fantastični, brate,
It was
znači.
drilled.
Ne mogu sad se. Ovo igramo na 10 minuta. Života ti.
The bottom line is
Je ben mi to
so
dopet, hè?
effective. That's why everybody's doing it. Lovely feet. Looking for the run. Now the cross.
Ај, раци, много лошо се изгуби.
This is the time you need that pace. Looking to play him in. He's in a great position here.
Вижте бе.
Oh, it looked like 3-0 for sure.
Стигни.
Very likely. He really wants to put this game to bed. Substitutions taking place. So time for change. And this one has been on the cards for a little while. Well, to wait until now to make this change seems a bit baffling. He's expecting the miraculous to turn this around from here. Alioski. Serbia have time on
Играш?
their side now, as well as a two-goal
Играш,
lead.
брате, на влази.
It's just about done. Shot to go for a shot.
Ја опиза. Куре ќе да. Куре ќе да бе, раци.
Well, I think it's great. He's showing plenty of fight here. You want that to spread throughout the team now. Substitution in progress. But there's going to be another change here. I think you have to admire his willingness to keep plugging away, but the manager has done him a big favour, I think, by taking him off. He was looking very, very leggy. Serbia have the chance to go the other way. And that's a good goal. And he was quick to react.
Ја бе, кој е бе?
That's gone loose.
Ош,
Well, the side
шимо
that
да
time.
нешто. Мало. Ја фало напред. Ау се чути. Чути. Ми не знам кој е бе. Што го изби бе, баци бе?
Alioski. The message is clear. None shall pass. Well played. That has knocked out the danger. And the number on the board is 3.
Сам да видиш.
Sure the ball is in space. As long as the space left behind is filled. Oh, looks like he's been taken out there.
Доста е. Кој е погledал това?
Full playback and shown
Какво, гасимо? Така, овде гасимо.